everybody, it's Shanna P and I'm quite energetic because I just finished having my merienda. Yeah. Sinipag ako today. Oh, mga aso, best. Operative yung mga aso ko eh. Gusto mag-features video. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a quick haul video featuring homegrown 100% Filipino beauty products. Mapapansin niyo that I'm crazy about lip tints nowadays. And I got 4 new lip tints from Nina of Kiss and Tell PH. All natural and vitamin enriched. Their products contain vitamin B3, B5, vitamin E, and aloe vera. Murag commercial lang. And they have 9 different shades. Nina sent me 4 shades. Ever since I got this, I have been using Prom non-stop. Like every day I use this for my cheeks and my lips. Kasi it gives off that perfect rosy tisay cheeks on me. So I use this all the time. Nasira na yung packaging. Anyways, I'm gonna do a quick swatch of the tint. First on the list would be Prom. Medyo watery consistency because of course the lip tints are water-based. Wait lang. I-ano ko siya. Scatter ko siya ng isang line. Ganyan siya. So this is Prom. Diba? Super pigment. So this one has a deeper red shade. Third party. You can see the pigmentation clearly from the swatches. Yeah, this is Sunset Kiss. Berry Me. Berry Me is a very nice plum or purple color. Though it appears translucent here on the lips, it actually is a little bit dark, but this is how it looks like. The best thing that I like about their lip tint is hindi siya masyadong humahawa sa ngipin. Unlike the previous lip tints that I've used, na grabe ang stain sa ngipin. Ito, hindi masyado nagsistain. And then it dries faster. As you can see, dry na siya agad. If you want to order, you can go to their Instagram page. That's at Kiss and Tell Phil. Or you can go to their Facebook page. I'm just gonna write the link to their page in the description box. And the next products for this haul are from Nature Essentials. If you are a certified Filipina beauty and makeup junkie, I'm pretty sure you've heard about Nature Essentials. I think they also started with lip and cheek tints, but now they have expanded their brand and they are now offering a lot of makeup products for you to try. And they gave me 2 shades. The first one is Kiss Me Better. Kiss Me Better is a very pretty, deeper pink shade. As you can see, the next shade is Crush on You. It's actually quite similar to my favorite shade Prom. So I can put this in my other bag as well. Yes, so that's Crush on You. Question is, hindi ko naisip, paano ko tatanggalin to mga lip tint na ite? Long lasting ito mga lip tint na to! Talino ko talaga. Next products that I got from Nature Essentials, which I'm very excited to try, are their lip creams. Look at that. I super love the packaging of their lipstick. It's very true to their brand, Nature Essentials. So, the tube is made of bamboo. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda. The first shade that I got is in Sassy Mike. Ganyan. Ganda ng color. Ang ganda! Oh my God. Ang ganda niya. At saka parang may menthol siya na amoy. Ang ganda. It's so creamy. Focus. Ayan. So that is Sassy Mike. This is Pure Helen, which is also a very beautiful color. Yan. Definitely gonna use these lipsticks on my next tutorial. So watch out. They are now producing concealers, guys, and I got it in the shade medium. So let's watch that. So parang lipstick lang din siya, and then, which is actually quite convenient. Just forgive my mga aso. Yan, creamy din siya. Very, very creamy. So that's how it is. I'll try to blend it with my finger just to see the blendability of the concealer. It's actually very nice. Ganyan siya. Oh, diba? Ganyan. Ang ganda ng design. Next up is their poreless matte, which is their finishing powder. Meron silang finishing powder in mocha. Gusto ko siya i-try dahil medyo nagiging masyado ng shiny ang aking dewy Korean makeup. So, I just got a little on my brush. Very lightly lang. Gusto ko pa rin i-keep yung pagka-dewy. Dewy. Nawala yung oil, Beth. Pero syempre, nandyan pa rin ang highlight natin. This is their brows on fleek. Alright. Yeah, I like it. Kita niyo yan. At saka nag-dry na siya agad, oh. So, if you're interested in checking out the wide array of beauty products that Nature Essentials has for you, you can go to their website. That's www.natureessentials.com.ph, or they also have a Facebook page. That's fb.com/natureessentialsph. And for their Instagram account, they have @charmcosmetics. Alright, that concludes our quick haul video, and I hope you do try the products and support local. They're 100% Filipino, and the quality is really superb, as you can see. And if you want to see more haul videos from me, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button and writing a comment sa baba. And also follow me on Instagram @xana_p. And also for more kalokohan kabuang, also feel free to follow my makeup page. That's facebook.com/xana_p. That's actually my makeup artist page, but I also post Facebook videos. Please check it out. And yeah, thank you very much for hanging out with me and watching this video. I will see you next time.